Now, let's move on to the second part of the operation manual, software installation. Please go to the S180 folder, then the manufacturer folder. Click on manufacturer setup.exe for installation. If you cannot complete the installation, please go to manufacturerinstaller.msi first and then proceed to the newest distribution, x64. After finishing the installation, use a USB cord to connect your machine to the computer. Also, make sure the power voltage is correct. Then you can plug in the power cord and turn the machine on. If your computer is connected to the internet, firmware and drivers should install automatically. However, if your computer isn't connected to the internet, you can go to the folder and install CDM driver for your computer. After the installation is complete, double-click the manufacturer software and you'll go to this interface. Please choose the right COM ports, then click Connect button. Next, you can copy your serial number from your folder. Paste it and validate. If you see the Welcome Manufacturer window, the installation was successful and is complete.